Can you fit joy into an envelope, and can you send happiness in the mail? At Altenew, we believe you can. Altenew is all about the spirit of love, friendship and kindness. Since 2014, we have created high-quality paper crafting products for you to create beautiful projects in your craft room. In turn, you have constantly inspired us with your creativity, your service and the love you have shared with others around the world. 2020 was a long year with tragedy and worldwide events none of us saw coming. Through it all, you continued to support us, inspired us with your projects and motivated us to keep pushing through. This is why we wanted to send a special thank you from the bottom of our hearts to all of our wonderful Altenew fans who have stuck with us and kept us going into 2021. We appreciate your patience with delivery delays due to the pandemic, all of your support on social media and the beautiful crafty joy you create every day. You are all amazing. As a way to show our gratitude, we offer many opportunities for Altenew fans to win prizes and free gifts throughout the year, including but not limited to crafting contests, live video giveaways, release blog hops and free gifts with selected orders. Each gift is sent out with lots of love and special hugs from the Altenew family. We really hope you continue to share your beautiful projects with us. Join us for our monthly inspiration challenge on our card blog, our creatively inspired contests, weekly YouTube giveaways, monthly Flower of the Month Instagram challenges, and Facebook and YouTube lives. There are countless ways to participate in the fun, and we hope that you continue to be part of our extended Altenew family. Head on over to blog.altenew.com for all the latest giveaway updates, and don't forget to craft your life.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!